Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is the market update for Tuesday, August 24, 2021. But let's take a look on the key market indices to see where we're at. And then after that, I will go over the 5 China technology bargain hunting stock so that we can look for the opportunity to trade. Okay, so first of all, let's take a look on the EMI SB 500. So as you can see here, the last 3-4 days we push it back up. So every time they go to the top here, and then they run up too fast. So they are looking for some correction here. So you have to be a little bit cautious here because we only have one more week. Usually we get into the September that the most of the time that's the worst month of the year, so we have to be a little bit cautious. So right now they shoot it back up. They give it another dozy here, so depend on tomorrow they will be able to put it back and then they continue to put it back up, or they will can pull it down here again. So right now, as long as the trend is still up, we still stick with the uptrend, but we have to pay a little bit caution, okay, because we very close to the September already. But the overall trend right now is still bullish. Let's take a look on the Nasdaq to see what they're doing here. So the Nasdaq, they be able to break out last 2 days, they shoot it back up, and then they hit to the resistance again. So that's interesting. If they cannot punch to this level or higher, they need to pull back before they can build up the momentum. So this is the support level. If they need to hold there to push it higher. And look at the Russell 2000. They also be able to put it back up after they found the support here. They shoot it back up, but right at the resistance also. So this is a very interesting point that we can see that this one they will be able to punch through it, or they have to put it back down before they can find a way to push it higher. Look at the Dow Jones, still get trouble at the sell zone. They shoot it back up, they couldn't go higher, so they are a little bit jumpy sideways right now also. Look at the crude oil, it's still in the downtrend. They have been able to push it back, but they are still continue to have low, high, low, low, so the trend is still in the downside there. Gold is also trying to push it back up, but they hit right the resistance. They ran out of steam here, so they probably have to pull back before they can jump up again. If you look at Bitcoin also hit to the resistance right here. Okay, so if they run out of gas, then they need to pull back before they can find a way to go up later. Same thing like Ethereum, they hit right the resistance here. So they run up too fast, so probably they will be sideways correction here before they can find a way to put it higher. So the overall, the 11 sector of the SB 500 it still hang there, but the utility sector, as you can see here, the people when they hit here, the people take profit, so they have some support here. Let's see if they can hold up to this level. That's why you see a lot of stock in this sector also pull back, like the Minion Energy, they hit to the sell zone, they pull back. And EE, same thing, hit to sell zone, pull back, people take profit. SO also, people take profit there. And the XLV, which is the healthcare, lost some of stock, they run out too fast, people also take profit also. Okay, MRK, so a couple mRNA, but Pfizer also, people taking profit, they run too fast here. But some of the strong one like REGN is still pretty strong. This one here is very high demand because they have a cocktail to treat the coronavirus and Delta variant. So this stock is still very effective and very high demand. And the SYK Striker, okay, they provide the supply for the healthcare. That's still pretty strong there. And the technology sector, as you can see here, couple stuff that we talk about on the weekend, CRM still put it up. They have a lot of resistance there, but they still maintain their Cisco. It continue to rumble to the upside. And the technology software is this one here is still put it up strong the last couple of days, but they are a little bit extended also. The next wick is also strong the last couple of days. They put it back up. They still have a lot of resistance here. Let's see what they're going to do to this level. If they still strong, they'll be able to punch to this level, to the next level. Other than that, they will go sideways here again. The financial sector is very impressive move back after they hit to the top. They pull back bottom, and the last couple of days they push it back up. Okay, because they going to finalize the money for the infrastructure there. So a lot of money flow to the financial market. It will benefit the Bank America, right? A lot of the Discovery, Goldman Sachs, okay, PayPal, so they'll be able to bow back for support for the last couple of days there. The retail sector is still doing well. As you can see, a couple of them, they hit to the top, they pull back. They have Lululemon, it try to come right back up to the top again. They see Alto Beauty, it's also strong last couple of days there. Okay, so and a lot of stuff like AMF, right? In the retail sector still doing extremely well, right there, and EIL. So this one here is still strong there. Okay, so on the weekend weekly market forecast, I bring up a couple of stocks for you to watch on the earnings. So the first one that we have is the DKS, right? So this one here, they are very strong for since Monday. They still push it up to the up high. You can see here, very strong top there. Okay. The next one is the Autodesk, and this one here, it also rumble very fast to the upside for the last couple of days here. Okay, so this one we highlight the 3 stocks for the earning that you need to watch, and this is the second one. And the third one is the Palo Alto network. This one here, they jump up, okay, from over here at 3 something, so they go up almost 75 points since on Monday until today. So 3 of them are good earning, and then you can see that very far they hit it to the home run one day, 75 points. Okay, so that if you watch my YouTube, you can see that the stock is very strong there. Okay, so as you know that trading is a very risky business. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme like many people are thinking. If you don't know how to read a technical analysis, then it's very dangerous for you. That's why as Stock Navigators, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price action on the chart by using a logical technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology combined with the pattern recognition and the money management so that you can trade with the high probability of winning. But we understand it's very hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor and support you every day until you are successful, and we will guide you in our live Discord community so that you can get support and follow along. That is the only way that you can manage your own financial future. So now let's take a look on the, as you see that the last couple of days here, the China technology stock is trying to turn around. Okay, so I'm going to, there are many hundred of China stock there, but I'm going to pick up the 5 of them so that I'm going to show you today here so you can take a look. So the first one is a JD. Okay, so this stock here have been dropped since February. When it hit to the top here, they pull back down. So it's a bargain price here. People tax, almost $107, $8 right now. They go back to $60. So that's the almost half of the price. So people start jump in and then looking for the bargain. After they pull back down here, they found a double bottom. Now they get back up, so they run to resistance here. So let's see it. They may pull back a little bit to gain some momentum before they can put it higher. So let's see how they lay out there, because for the last couple months, China they working on the crackdown, though China talk here, so that's why they call them a big rock here. But I think that today at SEC talking with them on something we don't know, but a lot of topics they start turning around right now. So JD is one of them. The second one is the Tencent. Okay, so this one here, they go straight to the top, almost like what, $100 there. They drop to 55, so 50% discount there. So the last couple of days they try to turn around here. On the way up, they still have a lot of resistance, but they are trying to rebound as fast as they can. So technically they're still in the downtrend, but in the short term, we're looking for a short-term rebound so we can trade. All right, and the next one is Alto. So this one here, the stock is still not too bad. They drop, but they hold up pretty well. So they still hang up to this level. Now they're looking for the rebound. Okay, so this is short-term trade. Let's see how far they can push it back up to the upside there. And the next one is the Baidu. Okay, Baidu would also give a very good discount here at the $353 there, $54. Now it's only $135. So the last 2 days they try to turn around here. So we don't know how far they can put it up, but definitely some people try to jump in and push it back up. So in the short term trade, we're looking for some potential to the upside there. And the last one is the WB. This one here Weibo. This one here also, they are ran by between this area and this area here. So they call up, they shoot it back up. So let's see, they can carry momentum on the way up. They still have a lot of resistance. But, if all the China stock were able to turn around, they were looking for a way to put it up quickly. Okay, so that 5 stock that I have it for you. That's the JD, TCE, HY, Alto, LY, Baidu, and WB. Okay, so beside these stocks, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist Premium Watchlist, where we handpick about 5 stocks every week and analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and the target so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up like button, or any suggestion, please let me know on the comment below. Thank you for watching. Be safe and healthy. Good luck in your trading. I will see you on the next update. Take care and have a fantastic week.